Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very easy recipe of chicken with zucchini, that is Murgh Tori. Before moving on to the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they're uploaded. And most importantly, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Moving on to the recipe, we need 2 medium sliced onion. We are going to stir fry the onion in a deep pan or a pot until they turn golden brown. This is a very easy and very light recipe as I'm not going to use too many spices. There are just few spices that I'm going to add. Now you can see I have poured 100 ml of cooking oil in the pan. I have added onion. I'm going to stir fry them until they start turning golden brown. I'm stir frying them on medium-low flame. Now you can see onion have started changing the color. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and stir fry them for a minute on medium flame. I have stir fried the onion and ginger garlic paste for about 1 more minute. Now I am going to add 2 medium chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped medium green chili and 1 medium whole green chili, and I am going to stir it really well. Now I am going to add the spices. First I am going to add the salt. Add salt according to your taste. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am going to stir it really well. Now I am going to stir and keep mashing the tomatoes as they get really soft when the salt is added to it. Now the oil has started separating. I am going to add 450 grams of chicken. Stir fry on high flame for 1 minute. I am going to stir continuously until the chicken is fully coated with the onion and tomato mixture. Now set the flame to low, cover the pot and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Let the chicken cook on low flame. I have taken 350 grams of zucchini. I am going to peel them up and cut into small pieces. The pieces should not be too thin or too thick. Now I am going to uncover the pan. I am going to stir fry the mixture until the oil starts separating. At this point I am going to add zucchini and stir it really well so that it gets coated with the gravy. After the zucchini is coated really well, I am going to lower the flame, cover the pan and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Zucchini is fully coated with the gravy. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, uncover the pan and stir fry on high flame until the oil separates. When the oil separates, it means our dish is ready to be served. Our zucchini chicken is ready to be served. Take out in the serving dish, sprinkle freshly chopped coriander leaves and some strands of ginger. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. I'm sure your family is going to love it. Do try the recipe and tell us in comments how it came out. Enjoy!